What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the SUPVAN T50M Plus Bluetooth label maker machine, a game changer for anyone looking to organize their space, whether it's at home, in the office, or for your small business. This incredible device is packed with features that make labeling a breeze, and I'm excited to dive in and show you just how powerful it is. First, let's talk about the wide range of uses for the SUPVAN T50M Plus. This label maker prints labels that are 3/4 to 2 wide, which is perfect for a variety of applications. For small businesses, you can use it to create price tags, barcodes, and delivery addresses. At home, you can label your spice jars, storage boxes, and kitchen containers, keeping your space organized and clutter-free. In the office, it's great for labeling file folders, name tags, and documents, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. The possibilities are endless, and the SUPVAN T50M Plus is the perfect tool to help you get organized and stay that way. Another feature that really stands out is the enhanced image quality. The SUPVAN T50M Plus uses a sophisticated app that performs precise image analysis, resulting in professional-grade labels that are sure to elevate your brand and organization. Whether you're creating labels for your business or for personal use, you want them to look great, and this device delivers. The high-resolution prints are clear, crisp, and easy to read, making it easy to identify what's inside a container or folder. This level of quality is usually reserved for high-end label makers, but the SUPVAN T50M Plus makes it accessible to everyone. Now, let's talk about the versatile app editing function. This is where the SUPVAN T50M Plus really shines. With over 40 fonts, 30 frames, and 450+ icons to choose from, you can create unique and customized labels that reflect your personality or brand. The app is easy to use, and you can print images directly from your phone or tablet, making it a breeze to add your own graphics or logos to your labels. The best part? All of these features are completely free to use, so you can get creative without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your labels or create a consistent brand image, the SUPVAN T50M Plus has got you covered. In addition to its impressive features, the SUPVAN T50M Plus is also incredibly portable and rechargeable. Weighing in at just 0.6 pounds and measuring 4.7 foot times 3.1 times 2.3. This label maker is lightweight and easy to take with you on the go. With up to 1 month of standby time on a single charge, you can use it anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or on a job site. The thermal technology used in the SUPVAN T50M Plus means that it doesn't require any ink or toner, making it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. Plus, it instantly connects to iOS and Android devices via Bluetooth, making it easy to get started right away. Finally, I want to talk about just how easy the SUPVAN T50M Plus is to use. The device is incredibly intuitive, and the app is simple to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The label maker uses thermal technology, which means that it doesn't require any ink or toner, and it instantly connects to your device via Bluetooth. This makes it easy to get started right away, without any complicated setup or maintenance. Whether you're a busy professional or a homeowner looking to get organized, the SUPVAN T50M Plus is the perfect tool to help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, the SUPVAN T50M Plus Bluetooth label maker machine is an incredible device that is sure to revolutionize the way you label and organize your space. With its wide range of uses, enhanced image quality, versatile app editing function, and portable design, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to get organized and stay that way. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your SUPVAN T50M Plus today and start experiencing the power of professional-grade labeling for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. This device is a game changer, and it's going to take your organization to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.